I don't know about you, but I love Christmas. I'm not a religious person and I don't believe in God, so I detached myself from the religious meaning of Christmas a long time ago. What always stuck with me, though, is the whole atmosphere that Christmas is able to bring every year. As I see it, Christmas is all about appreciating the little things, being joyful, more playful and silly, spending time with those we love, being kind to ourselves as we look back at the year that is coming to an end and we prepare for the one ahead. I personally don't care at all about presents or the material aspect of the holiday season either. What I care about is how I spend my time and with whom. In German, there's the word Vorfreude, which means the joy of anticipation. This is what Christmas is to me. And decorating, of course, is part of the process too. This is how I've decorated my studio apartment for Christmas the simple and eco-friendly way. The tree. I don't really have a place for a Christmas tree in my tiny studio, and even if I did, things would probably get complicated considering with whom I live with. So this is my attempt at a Christmas tree. I used old CDs and stick them to the door in a tree shape. I then added an old star-shaped decor piece I already had as a tree topper. Fairy lights. I love them so much that I keep some all year round in my studio. But when it's Christmas, the more, the better. Textiles. I bought 2 simple and plain red pillowcases and used this throw blanket that my mom bought me when I was a kid to change the look of my bed. I also had this Christmassy secondhand fabric, which I made alter to turn it into a tablecloth. DIY Advent Calendar. I bought some individually wrapped chocolates and created an advent calendar using a paper bag, which I turned into 24 small envelopes, some Christmas-themed stickers, and a big glass jar. Small decorative elements. I've added small decorative accents here and there using items that I had already, that I upcycled, or even bought new, but that I know that I'll keep using for the years to come. For example, a jar full of biscuits, a fake poinsettia flower, or an empty cookie tin box with a gorgeous design on it that I turned into a candle stand. Smells. I like the idea of Christmas decor not being just visual, but multi-sensory. I'm using scented candles, vegetable wax so they're safe and toxic-free, that bring both the hygge and festive element and the nice pleasant scent. Also, enjoying some festive and wintry foods or beverages is for me part of the whole decorative experience as well. For example, chestnuts, anything cinnamony, or a pumpkin spice latte. The wardrobe essential. This year, I really couldn't resist to the Christmas sweater thing. I spotted this sweatshirt on Vinted and thought it would be absolutely perfect for me to rock it in my Christmas decorated studio. Finally, one of my favorite things about Christmas, the music. You can have the nicest decorated place, but without music, you're missing that festive vibe that really brings it all together. I have my own personal playlist that is 100% fail-proof in setting me into the right mood. Not your typical Christmas playlist maybe, but much better. If you want to join me in the festive celebrations, the link to it is in the description box below. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you got some creative festive inspiration from it. If so, please like, comment, and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Happy holidays!